we went out of town for a couple of days, came back, found these gigantor zucchini. So we can slice them, put them on a grill, or we can grind them for a variety of people to make zucchini muffins and chocolate zucchini muffins, and zucchini bread, and all kinds of things. So first thing we'll do is going to cut them up. And we're going to scoop the seeds out. When they're big, the seeds don't grind up very well. I'm going to slice them thin so they fit in the food processor. We have it on the small shredding blade. Now we're going to put it in a salad spinner. We're going to freeze this, and if we freeze too wet, it'll come out just like a mush. So we want to try to get some of the moisture out. But when it's going in bread, muffins, that's not that big of a deal.
Do that.
A couple of spins, you can see already all the moisture that came out. The recipe for zucchini bread, or chocolate zucchini bread, we found online, calls for 3½ cups of shredded zucchini. So it should fit in here. This is 2½ cups. And that's packed pretty dense. One more cup. I have this unmoist. It's going to suck some liquid up into that little tray, and I'll drain it out. That's okay. I don't want any of the food up high. That's pretty dry. There we go. 1 pack of zucchini for zucchini bread. I've used 2 so far, and I've got 3 bags. It's 10½ cups, 2 zucchini. This is the largest one. You see how big the seeds are. These are actually big enough to harvest and plant, dry them out. That's why people don't like eating them when they're this big. But if you pull them out, the flesh is still great. Here we have 17½ cups. Plus I gave 10 cups to the neighbor. We should have some good zucchini bread and zucchini muffins.